Alright guys, welcome to today's video. I'm so excited to bring this this banging video review for you guys. So I actually found a software that this software, if you write content, you need to get this software. Now what this software does is very simple. It writes blog posts for you in seconds. Yes, in seconds. No matter the niche you are, it has the power to help you create high quality blog posts without writing a single word of content by yourself. You're not going to write anything. Just plug this software. It's actually a plugin. If you have a WordPress blog, you can put this can install this plugin inside your WordPress blog, and then in just one click you can get high quality articles, high quality blog posts that you can publish on your blog. And then it's very simple. Instead of paying about $10, $20 or $30, $50 for to hire freelancers, you can use this to generate high quality articles and content for your blog. Now how this works is very simple. This software or this plugin will convert videos, especially YouTube videos. You can easily just pick any YouTube videos, maybe a TED Talk or any video, pick it up from YouTube and then slap it on this software, put it up in this software in just one click. Just click a button and then the software is going to convert that video to one to a blog post instantly that you can publish on your blog or on your website. And the thing is, you can actually use it to create unlimited articles. Yes, unlimited articles. It's very simple. In just one click you can get fresh, clean content for your blog. So with this software you can actually create blog posts in just 3 seconds. Yes, you don't have to wait for hours. You don't have to start writing stories and thinking of what to write. All you need to do is just pick up a YouTube video URL, press a button, and then your article will be ready in seconds without even writing a single word. And all you do is just publish your content for it to go live. Also, with this software you will get high quality content that you also get from professional writers as well. And if you pick up this software, you can create unlimited content and blog posts from videos. Yes, honestly, I love this software. It's so powerful. It's great. You can just pick up any YouTube video, get a YouTube video URL, the link, paste it on this software, and this software will instantly generate the contents out of this video. I'm going to show you guys a demo of this video once I'm done with this review. So if you want to pick up this software, there's a link under this video. Click on the link. It's going to bring you to this page right here. This is where you're going to get access to pick up this tool, and then you can start using it. It's so simple. There's no technical stuff inside this thing. Just copy and paste the link of any video, insert it into this software, and then you start getting high quality content without doing any kind of hard work. It's very simple to use. All you need to do is just one click and you get your own your article ready instantly. And the beauty of this is this: you can even go ahead and sell this kind of videos, this kind of articles on Fiverr or on freelancing sites. If you are a writer, a content writer, or a blog post writer, you can just use this software to generate content based on what your clients gives you. Just go to YouTube and search for the same topic related to it, generate article instantly, and then you'll be surprised. Look, there are a lot of testimonials of people who actually got this tool and they're actually testifying how powerful this is. So go ahead, there's a link under this video. Pick up this click on the link under the video. It's going to bring you to this page where you can actually pick up this tool. Yes, you can pick it up. You can create up to 500 blog posts with this. Just $12 annual payments, $12 annual payments. Or you can go for the multi-site, create unlimited 5,000 blog posts for you can install the plugin on up to 10 sites, or just go for the unlimited sites, and then unlimited sites license, cloud edition, one-time fee, no annual fee, you can see. Or just go for the $27 one-time fee, or you just go for this if you don't have enough on you. For one site, $12, and then you can be creating content very fast. In fact, I would even advise you go and start an article service on Fiverr, where you can be offering high quality articles, because articles sells a lot on Fiverr. So you can go out there and sell on Fiverr. Use this tool in 1 second. Don't worry, I'm going to show you guys play the demo for you guys so you can see exactly how this tool works. So go ahead, once you are done watching this demo video, go ahead, click on the link under this video to secure your copy of this software. It's very powerful. You're going to love it. It turns any video on YouTube, any video, just grab a video and then insert this software, and you have gotten content for your blog or for your website. So let me show you guys how this software works. So you can now, so let me show you guys how this software works. Let me play the demo video for you. Don't forget to you click on the link under this video to go pick up this powerful software and convert videos to blog posts in just seconds. So here is the demo of how this powerful software works.